Ngayong hapon,
Testing na bro.
testingan natin.
Okay.
Okay. So, sino sa inyo ang waing higumbas sa Pilipinas? May mga amigo ko at mga classmates na nagambal na palangga ko iti ang Pilipinas, galing kay Kabudla, higit palanggaon tungkol sa mga problema. No? So, this afternoon, I was tasked to discuss why, as BCPP members, we have to inculcate with us not only the love for God, but love for country as well. Ara ina sa aton vision, kag sa aton virtues, no? Core values. Okay, so what we intend to do this afternoon, no? First, we want to define what is love of country. And then how do we relate the Lord's assignment of stewardship to us with love of country? And then to relate love of country with family, workplace, UCPP, and community activities. Kaya tanan ini sila tied together, no? Hindi pwedeng you love God, tapos naapig ka sa banwa, no? Naapig ka sa country, naapig ka sa family. No? So it's all tied together. What is patriotism? So, nung tamang nakita silang batihan, no? Hindi siya patriotic siya. Love niya ng country. So, patriotism is the feeling of attachment and commitment to our country. Love for our country. And maybe synonymous to nationalism. Okay, so if you review the Philippine history, daw mabuglay kita sa ito ngayon, ay kay lain-lain kita nga tribo, lain-lain nga isla, lain-lain nga loyalty. And it took a while for us to become one country. And even now, yung tamong Ilyapon si problema kaya ang mga Ilocano lagi may sila, ang Cebuano lagi, ang mga Western Visayas, Ilonggo lagi, o Hiligaynon. No? So, we still have to put together what we call nationalist feeling, and that feeling of nationalism and patriotism. But if we go back to Leviticus, the Lord said, "Thou shalt not go up and down as a talebearer among thy people, and neither shalt thou stand against the blood of thy neighbor." So, maumpisa siya sa love our neighbor, love our countrymen, love our country. So, we are told to love the Lord our God with all our heart, with all our soul, but we also have to love our neighbors. Kita nyo ning slide? Muna ginambal ko na we love our country, galing kay Kabudlay siya. Di ko maon tungod sa mga problema nato. No? We have growth without relief. Normalization of corruption, left and right. Damo na sa aton ang napukaw, nagatindo, pero damo kigapon sa mga corrupt. Okay, so in this aspect, ang kumakot natin sa lawas natin, how can we love our country? With all of these problems, the more so that we have to love our country. Tandaan ko sa ito sa college days pa na ako, natambal sa itong mga ibang mga classmate. Hindi ako magdaog si Erap na presidente, ma-migrate ako sa Amerika kay why naging pulo sa Pilipinas. So, grabe nito na loss of love for country. Ay, presidente man si Erap, why na sila magkalalin? Okay, so we have to think about this. Kung hindi kita ang mag-love sa country natin, sino ba ang ma-love sa country natin? This is the only country that we have. So the best that we can do is make sure that we improve our country. Tama? For many years, pinamba nila, there should be a separation of church and state. Pero bilang gitna, nakakit sila sa ito kay Cardinal Sin, kay nag-intra sa politika. Di ba? Nakakit sila subong sa ibang cardinals at archbishop natin. Pero if you notice, ang movements ng DCDP na be honest at tapat dapat is really actually pushing the organization to become more involved with politics. Because ang action natin sa church, ang action natin as Christians, cannot be totally separated from the political situation. Hindi pwede nga Kristiyano kita pero kapabaya lang kita nga ginatumok-tumok ang atong kaluyo. Nga ginapangawat ang kwarta sa gobyerno. Di ba? So tama din niya si Cardinal Sin sa to. My duty is to put Christ in politics. Ano ganyan ba natin? We are going to bring Christ into the marketplace. If you want to bring Christ into the marketplace, ma-intrali kita yan sa politika. Di ba? How do we do this? Number one, maghuli kita para yung matinlo ang eleksyon. We make sure na hindi na pinaplanay ang 6-2. Klaro, di ba? Kaya kung napabayag kita, daw kung man nato na. Okay. Sa balay ko gani, why di na yasing nagkakanto ng listahan, kaya why mo kung nakakit pa ko sa ilang kung pagmalista sila, kaya hindi pwede na ilakot ka sa listahan na tagaan kasing kwarta. Okay? So, butang tapa nga why kita magbatol. Pero ipabayaan nato ng ato mga kabulig, ng ato mga kaupod na magbatol. May salat ba lang kita? We are part of the problem. Klaro? Because God actually wanted us to become good stewards. How do we become good stewards? Hindi lang atong ginapaumuad ang atong profession, paumuad naton ang atong talents, ang mga resources naton, kundi atong manbuligan sing bulig ang atong palibot, ang atong mga kasimanwa, ang mga kubos. So, those who work their land, which is kamuna, no? For sure, mabakot ang inyong lawas, may abilidad ka mo para makakuha sa trabaho, makita. Pero, you have to make sure that you do not lose your wealth, as well as you have to share your wealth with the other people in the community. So what is a good steward? One that knows God's vision for himself, for the community, the BCBP, and the country. So oftentimes, balaan nato ng aton vision sa lawas ta, sa aton pamilya, sometimes sa komunidad, pero why nato binalakot ang bilog na country. Do you follow? So, siguro, we have to change that concept, no? Na hindi lang ako, hindi lang akong pamilya, hindi lang BCBP community, but we have to think about the whole country. So, klaro na sa number 2 ang atong sing campaign na be honest, tapat dapat. Pero are we living out this in everything? Ang problema natin, kung kung kita sa honesty and integrity, pero paglambot na galing niya ang involved, akong pakaisa, akong tiyo, akong bata, nadudula ang aton honesty and integrity. So, siguro mo ng isang pwede natin daw Kung hindi nato maubra nga daan, it's still part of our continuing process of change. We are able to balance courage and concern. Kung kisa, ginatalawan di man kita kay basi anong matabog sa akong pamilya, basi maapektuhan ang akong promotion, basi maapektuhan ang birthday ang akong business. Di ba lang? It's a logical and common fear. But if we have the courage and faith in the Lord, we will persevere and we will be successful. We are asked to bring Christ into the marketplace. So, kung tapos na kamo sa inyong formation, you have already imbibe what it means to be a BCBP member. But ang question natin is, if we want to be missionaries, if we want to bring Christ into the marketplace, we have to get other people. We have to invite other people to join the BCBP. More often than not, we have this circle of influence. Who are these? Atong mga boss, ang atong mga subordinates, atong immediate family, amo ini siya ang atong circle of influence. Nabi tumahapos naton na influence. Tama? Pero, there is a wider circle of people of concern. Pasabi, mga teachers, mga upo ninyo sa eskulahan, sa mga employees sa company, ang iba na employees na hindi pa sila members ng BCBP, at hindi po sila close. So these are the people that you can actually leverage on if you want to bring Christ into the marketplace. Specifically, if you want to include them in the love for God as well as love for country and love for fellow men. Ang isa ka way is to widen your circle of concern. Kung imo circle of influence na bilin, na mahumangyapon, kung malapad nimo ang circle of concern, that's one way. For example, some of our members have joined Rotary, for example. So they have widened their circle of concern. If we have joined other organizations and so on. But the better way is really to increase your circle of influence. Labi na gid kung nagdako ang imo circle of influence, nagdako pag imo circle of concern. How do we do this? We have to invite more people to join us for breakfast. We have to invite more people to join our CLP and other activities of the BCBP. Four opportunity areas for stewardship. I already mentioned, hindi lang sa work, pati sa family. Can I have a show of hands? How many of you have shared what we are doing in BCBP to your other cousins? Can I have a show of hands? Atong mga pakaisa, pagadwa. So wala. No? So you have not actually widened your circle of concern. And these people, yung mga pakaisa, pagadwa, these are actually your circle of influence as well. Hindi lang siya circle of concern. So how many of you have invited your co-workers sa workplace? Okay. 5%. Can you imagine if the 5% can increase to 50 or 100%? And then, of course, society at large. So, hindi mabulubudla hindi siya. Pero, ang example sini is like yung nag-join kita sa mga mass protest against corruption. Nag-upod kita sa plaza. Nag-declare si Archbishop at si Cardinal sa fight against corruption. We can start at home. by fostering or sharing, delegating with household chores and helping with schoolwork, promoting respect for each other, including household helpers. Frequent ini siya na babatian ko ang problema sa iba ng mga kabulig, no? Na daw nainggit ang pag-treat sa ila compared sa iba na family members. And contributing to family needs, time, skills. So, mas itara love of country magyapon ina because when you teach your children good things, they will become good citizens later on. Okay? I think that nahatag ko na ng example sa inyo sa to, but correct me kung itong istorya pala sang ang bata niya nagpanguha sang lapis sa iya sibling. Why pa kami pagati. So, ipatawag ang nanay ng government employee sa principal kan iya bata anak pa nga pinakuha sang lapis sa iya sibling. Okay? So, right in front of the principal and yung kakigan niya bata siya nga pinakuha ka sa lapis sa ipan. Tamo ko ito lapis sa balay, naging kuha ko sa opisina. Di ba, no? So, is that parent teaching the right thing? No, di ba lang? So, dira pala sa school, sa balay, you are already going to do what is right. Okay? Nalilipat kita kung isa. Kaya matuod, di ba? Tuod siya na pinanguha ang lapis sa opisina na ginadala mo sa balay. Di ba? In the workplace, do we observe respect for our co-workers? Nag-umpisa pala kita sa marites? Or kung hindi makita nag-umpisa, hindi na pala kita pala natulog ng marites. Sometimes, we are guilty of that. So we have to also continually observe honesty and integrity. More importantly, being competent in our work is part of our commitment to God. So, isa ka problema kung isa, hindi natin expertise sa atong trabaho, galing kay gusto talagang nila siya na sweldo, pinapilit natin ang atong self. So, we have to make sure that the work we are in is where we are competent with. Kung hindi kita competent nila, makita kita sa way na maka-training kita. Katamukon sa training programs, or even internet training programs, self-help programs. So, we have to make sure that we are competent. We owe it to our bosses na ang atong trabaho ang ginobra sakto, tama. And we can only do that if we are competent. Concern for welfare of the company of office na damog sini masulod ang ila so office hours 8 to 5. Masulod sila 8:39. Alas 4 pa lang nagahimos na. Di ba na? So, that's part of the psyche that many people have accumulated over the years. Naabi na ton normal. So as BCPP members, we have to inculcate the fact that we owe it to the owners of the company or to the senior government officials na kung anong ang insultuhan sa ato, ang ibiman na dapat ang ato i-servisyo. Kung nag-overtime kita, hindi masumot kita overtime. Pero may ibang pabala kong nabalaan na overtime sila 2 hours, kasupot sila 4 hours. Okay? Then, volunteerism and collaboration, as well as again, courage. Why do we need courage in the workplace? Courage to confront people who are not doing the right thing. Kung kisa, kita na ginato na may kabuangan or abnormal or purap na ginobra, hipos lang ta kay Hindi ba po apektado sila? Di ba? But you are actually committing a serious breach of our covenant of faith to God. Kasi nag-covenant kita nga, we will pursue honesty and integrity. So, actually, mapudlay brothers and sisters ang maging disibugan, no? Kay mapudlay, no? Actually, sometimes I really have to stop and meditate and pray for the right thing to do. Kaya kung isang may nakikita akong hindi tama, na hindi ako maka-action ni sigida because I lack courage. Tama? So even sa school, tudluan ng atong kabataan of all these things. So I think there are several teachers here, but there are many parents here. So we have to inculcate the values that we have developed of being honest and tapat dapat. That's why we have espoused yung oratorical contest and be honest. And in fact, I've been pushing ang aton sing PST na kung pwede naton i-relay ang mga topic mula sa itong oratorical contest sa iban nga schools. Kaya ang nakapamati sa ito sa ila, kami yung sa ilang mga oratorical pieces, pero ang nakapati lang, ang katulad dito sa hindi dito, Robinson? Oo. Namun tani, pwede natin ipa-repeat na sa kada high school, kada elementary, na ma-share nila. Because we need to start to inculcate the good values even in children. I'm very distressed na ang mga officers pa lang sa kabataang barangay, may mga kaso na sa corruption. Diba? So, when they're doing this, even when they're in the young age, pag abot nila sa age nila nga sila na government official, masters na kag-doctorate degree nga sa pangurakot, pang-omission, and so on. Diba? So, ano ang role natin nila? We can actually, again, it's a slow process of continuing change, but we can slowly try to influence the kabataang barangay officers. Tama po, election pa lang yan sa kabataang barangay, may vote buying na ba na yun ha? So, dira pa lang yan, umpisa na yan sa corruption. Okay? So, kung tato na dapat ang corruption. A government built on lies cannot stand, but one grounded in truth will earn the unwavering trust of its people. This is the statement of National Be Honest Tapat Dapat movement of BCDP. So dapat, bina-inculcate natin ini sa tanan naton nga activities, sa tanan naton nga sa aton nga tagipuso, sa aton tanan nga pagpanundong. So, how can we serve the country? So, ang atong topic sa kong is love of country. Daw, simple lang. Nung damo kali, no? Nung damo kasi dapat bro, you have to love your family faithfully. Given na yan. Hindi na kita kinanglan na tagang lecture. But you have to grow in the brotherhood and service of BCDP. Be good Christian managers and professionals. Be competent. Do the right things. Obey government rules and regulations. Okay, question. Sino sa inyo ang nagabayad sa income tax na tama? Most of the professionals, yes. Pero ang businessmen, ito medyo gadugda ko nila.
Government employees.
Okay. So just to give you an idea, sa nag-practice pa ako sa Manila as a doctor, nakibot ako, insulatan ako sa Makati BIR na number 10 ako na highest paying taxpayer. Kaya why ko sa ginatago? Dahil kayo gusto nila tani i-publish, sabi ko, hindi na, may basig na. Basig na ako mga aking sa kulungan. Kaya bukod ko sa clinic, na may, bukod ko sa clinic sa Makati, may Pajero, may Mercedes-Benz, may Porsche, ang ginabayran ng income tax per year, 200,000 pesos lang. Kuha mo? So, nangayon siya mulig sa akon, kini-ara ko relatives sa BIR. So, kaya ginalagas na siya sa BIR. Nambal ko sa iya, hindi ko yung magbulig sa imo kay sala ni mo nila. Kaya ginatunto mo ang gobyerno. So, in short, na-apik siya sa ako. Nakinaway kami. But that's courage. You report or correct crimes and wrongdoings. And finally, maski anong kagamos ang Pilipinas, maski anong corruption, be proud of our country. Tama?
Yes.
Can I have a round of applause for our country? Do not tolerate wrongdoings. So, mamuning example sa mga corrupt practices, I'm sure familiar kita sinitanan. Galing kay nagahipos lang kita. Ginapabayaan nga ito. So, if you cannot do something immediately, basi pahinay-hinay ang padutay-dutay, makastart ka mo sa movement to stop the corruption. Okay? Pwede ba? Here? Do I hear a yes?
Yes.
Bukod sini ang care for the environment, kung ka pinabuha kita haboy sa basura, you hate your country, you hate your community. Di ba? You have to develop local business and industry. So, may ara na din ng mga produkto na made in the Philippines. Ano minahagi kita sa made in Italy or made in US. Pero kung tanaw mo gani, made in China mo gani. Volunteer work for civic service community projects. Participate in vaccination programs. Involve yourselves in peacekeeping and police and military activity. And more importantly, again and again, I keep repeating, we have to join in the movement for clean elections. Okay? So to summarize, love of country is actually love of God. And love of country can be shown in many ways. Involvement in activities in our family, our workplace, our community, the BCBP, and society as a whole. Because we are stewards on earth, and we are mandated by the Lord to make use of our skills, our professions, our wealth, our time, even our talent, for the service of the Lord. I think that's my last slide. Makibaka. Thank you so much.